Converting centigrade to Fahrenheit. How do you convert centigrade to Fahrenheit under temperature? Hi there. In this channel, every single day we review different mathematics questions and we give different mathematical topics tutorials. So if you are in that category where you need access to a high level of teaching, you can just help yourself by subscribing to this channel and liking this video and staying tuned for what you're gonna see. So how do you convert centigrade to Fahrenheit under temperature? You know that temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness in the body, and actually it has units of, we have the units of temperature, which is centigrade and Fahrenheit. So for you to convert centigrade to Fahrenheit, we have degree Fahrenheit equals 9/5 degree 9/5 times degree Celsius plus 32. This is actually the formula we're using for converting centigrade to Fahrenheit. And how do we apply this formula? If you have a situation whereby you have to convert, let's just imagine an example. You have to convert 5 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, to a digit in Fahrenheit or whatsoever. How do you do it? So this is how you do it. You have degree Fahrenheit. Using this formula, you have bracket 9/5 times degree Celsius. What do we put in degree Celsius? Is this 5 degrees Celsius here? 5 plus 32. So from here, what do? We can cancel 5, cancel 5. So we have 9. So from here we have degree Fahrenheit equals 9 plus 32. So 9 plus 32 gives us 41 degree Fahrenheit. So from here we have 41 degree Fahrenheit. And also, if we have another example, take another example. You have 10 degrees Celsius. How do you convert 10 degrees Celsius to a number in Fahrenheit? Using that same formula, 9/5 times degree Celsius plus 32. So we have degree Fahrenheit equals 9/5 times, under the degree Celsius, you put the value they were given for Celsius, that's 10 degrees Celsius plus 32. So from here, 5 here cancel, 5 cancel, 5 cancel 5, 5 in 5 1, 5 in 10 2, 9 times 2 gives us 18, 18 plus 32. So 18 plus 32, you can solve it with your calculator, with your brain. 18 plus 32 gives us 50. So 10 degrees Celsius is equals 50 degree Fahrenheit. Why this one is 5 degrees Celsius is equals 41 degree Fahrenheit. And for yourselves, using this formula, you can try 15 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius. Try it out and put your answer for both of these questions in the comment and I'll check it out. And don't forget to also share the link of this channel to your friends in case they are in need of mathematics tutorials like this. Thank you. See you tomorrow for the next class. And also in the next video, we're going to be looking at how to convert Fahrenheit back to centigrade or Celsius. See you at that time.